Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. Oh my gosh, am I excited for today's video. So insert name here actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test out some of their products, and I was like, yes. So I picked out the Waver, which I'm super excited because I've wanted to try this for so long. A couple months ago, everybody wanted to do their hair like this. It was very like in trend to do your hair like this. I never hopped on the bandwagon to buy this product, but funny enough, I had my eye on the insert name here Waver. It released not too long ago, but everybody was talking about it and I just never bit the bullet to buy it. So the fact that A, they reached out to me, and B, they sent me the exact product that I wanted, I'm a happy girl right now. I've never done this before, so hopefully it's easy because I'm pretty basic with what I do with my hair. I literally just straighten it every day. In today's video, I am going to test this out for you, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make your hair go from this to this. Just keep watching. So this is the Waver, as we can see. I also have a promo code. I will have all the links in the description, and you can use my code Alexandra15 for 15% off of your purchase. It comes like this. It also comes with a glove, which is good because I've been burning myself a lot with my straightener for some reason, and I don't know why. And then it comes with cute little how-to instructions.
A few moments later.
Pretty straightforward. This is it. I love the color. It's pink, gray, and white. How aesthetic, and it just looks like that. It's not too big. As you can see, I can still grip it properly and then just hold it like that. You can put your thumb on it however you want to use it. Buttons over here. This is on, and then I guess it goes higher and lower, and then you'll just be able to see the temperature. Nice long cord. I'm gonna plug it in. This is how long it is, so that's really nice. You don't have to be too close to where you plug it in, and it does have a far reach. They also sent me these cute pins. These are from the Lien collab that they did. These are what the pins look like. They're gold. Let's see. Oh, I like that. This one here. Can you guys see that? These are like bobby pins, but instead of boring black, they have a nice gold color, and these are just thicker, longer. And then this is the glove. I guess it's just a one size fits all, which they normally are. I have really small hands. I'm gonna try it without the glove at first, unless I like really have to and I can't, like it's too hot. Then I'll put this on. How high does this go? So it goes up to 450, and the lowest is 170. So the lowest is 170, highest is 450. I'm gonna keep it at 370, which is where it started when it turned on. I love how it just has insert name here. Really cute. I really like their logo and the name of it. Also, I have a heat resistant pad on my bed, so if you see me like put it down, it's not on the bed. Also, if I look on this side, there is a mirror over there so I can see what I'm doing with my hair. But first things first, we're gonna do this in sections. Alright, so we have our two little sections that I'm gonna do right now. So I'm just gonna wait for this to heat up. Oh, it's almost done. It's getting like really hot. You can feel the heat. I think I'm gonna grab like that to start off with. I lowered it to 350 just because 370 might be a little too much right now, so I did 350. And I guess we just clamp it on. I'm just gonna keep clamping this, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm just gonna do this full one first so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna speed through this bottom layer and then do another one and continue to go like that. But just so you guys can see what this one looks like. Ooh. Okay, now I'm getting like the hang of it. The first one is obviously always like a trial because you don't know how to do it, but I feel like I'm getting the hang of it. Look at how it's already coming. That is really cute already. Wow, I'm excited. Almost there. I have really long hair, so this might take a while, but the outcome is gonna be worth it. We just have to be patient. Ooh, look at this up close. Oh, I love that. I just wanted to pause and say that I just realized this has a thing that comes out. So obviously this can stand on its own. I'm assuming that's what it's for. But yeah, I just figured that, so I just thought I would input that, but we're gonna continue with my hair. So I just did half my hair. It looks so cute. I'm loving this right now. Alright, I forgot to show you guys, but I'm done a whole chunk of my head. Now I'm just starting the second layer, and then I think I'm going to have like 2 more layers, and then it's going to be all cute. So I'll remember to show you guys when I'm done in this section, like this whole thing. Love it. We're halfway through, so I will show you when we are close, or like I'll show you when I only have like the 2 corner pieces left. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I just have 2 more pieces, so the one on the right side and then one on the left side. It's already looking so cute. I cannot believe I didn't get this sooner. This is what it's looking like. I just tied the back, so then I'll untie it and you'll see like the volume and everything, but I absolutely love this. Like this is, I'm obsessed already. And it's not taking too long. Honestly, I want to say it's probably a little bit longer than curling your hair, but again, I was doing it at 350 heat and it's only been like half an hour. I want to say it's been like half an hour, so not too bad. Do this side. Try to get as close to there as possible. So we'll see how this turns out. Do you see that? I'm obsessed already. I'm so excited to see how this is turning out. Like it's so good. And then last one. So my hair has layers, that's why there's like difference in it. That's how that looks. Let me undo that. I love this. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this little piece and then we'll be good to go. This is the finished look. Look at how much volume that my hair has, but it's like cute. I really like it. It's classy, beachy, just like sleeping in braids but better. So I really love that, and you can just move around your hair. Look at that. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I cannot believe I didn't get this sooner. It just gives your hair so much volume, and like look at that. And I feel like honestly it took me about like half an hour to 40 minutes, which is a pretty long time, yeah, but I was like learning how to do it. If I wanted it faster, I could have just put the heat up a little more. It gives you that like cute but like messy without looking like you tried too hard look. And then boom, if you want to have like a cute little clip, that's what the clips look like. Also, I just want to mention I didn't put any like product in my hair. This is just how my hair is. I don't really use much product on my hair. Hopefully it stays. If not, it's gonna be really easy to just touch it up. Nothing has to be perfect, but yeah, that is everything. Again, shout out to insert name here. Thank you guys so much for sending this over. Again, my code is Alexandra15. If you guys want to purchase this or anything from their site, highly recommend you check them out. It'll be linked in the description. But that is all for today's video. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one. If you are not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye!